Hey, what's up, YouTube world? My name is Dave. I am posting this because there's not a lot of videos on this, just a few. But I have a 2015 Dodge Durango SXT Rally Edition, and I was just looking to make it a little, I don't know, appealing on the interior. The interior is nice, don't get me wrong, and I love the Durango. I've loved the Durangos ever since the well, pretty much since the beginning, and I'm on my second one. Anyway, regardless, I just wanted to spice up the interior a little bit. So I was looking at different ways to do this between carbon fiber wrapping, but I also found this other way from these dash kits, and I got mine off of carid.com from a company called Remin. This seemed to be a little bit more of an economical option. I did try the carbon fiber wrapping myself to no avail. I was not good at it, and it is very expensive to let a professional do it, and I'm working on a budget here. So I'm decided to try the dash kit, and I received it today. And I'm not going to post a whole long video on every single piece I install, because that would take a long time. But I'm gonna just do a little demonstration, just hold it up and basically show you what it looks like. And I'll with one part, and then I'm gonna show you the finished product and give you my opinion from there. Okay? So here we go.
Right, so here's the Remin dash kit in its box, and I had already opened it, but they send it to you. You know, it's pretty neatly, nicely packaged. They give you the schematic, and everything's tightly wrapped. Right away, the way the light hits it, and I don't know if you can tell on the video, but it looks pretty cool. Everything is laser cut to precision, supposedly. We'll find out after I do the install. I did unwrap this one part for the driver's side control. And here's what it looks like, and get some light on it. You can see it does reflect the light like a carbon fiber. So we're going to give this a whirl. The other thing I noticed right away, opposed to some other kits, is that if you hold it on its side, this is pretty thick. It's not gonna. If you bend it, it's gonna take its shape back. It's not gonna get creased or anything unless you work really hard at it. So it looks like it's a pretty good quality product. Okay, so we're inside the Durango now, and here's the driver's side control. And even if I haven't taken the adhesive off this yet, but even as I just lay it across the top there, without sticking it, without using the adhesive to get it down, this looks like it's going to be pretty badass. So there you go, and I will now just do the installation on the rest of the vehicle. All right, so here it is. I just got done installing the Remin dash kit from CarID, and this is the carbon fiber dash kit. As you can see, it looks. This is a 2015 Dodge Durango, and it looks pretty nice. The cutouts are pretty accurate. I only really had one issue with this kit, and that was actually right here. They make a piece for this part here, but and I have it right here, but it just doesn't seem to, I don't know, it just doesn't seem to fit in there all that well. The carbon fiber goes in a different direction. It just didn't look, it doesn't look like it's gonna fit all too well. So at this time, I'm just gonna leave that part off. I think it probably looks better without it. The other parts I left off were actually on the steering wheel, on this silver part here, and I'm still debating on this. I might put this on, but that comes with a part that you can put that part on, as well as the other side. Continuing on, I like the part around the ignition, and then the entertainment bezel. Now, there is a part for down here on the entertainment bezel, and I'm still debating on putting that in or not. You guys can give me your opinion if you think I should do that or not. Jury's still out on that one. I may do it, or I may not. We'll see. Over here to the other vents, passenger side, and coming around to the rear. Let's see, there's some trim for the passenger window control. I'm going to try to get this down here. Another part that's not too crazy about, but it's okay because I don't sit in the back seat. You can see this part. They left this part out down here, probably because of some of the other upgraded models that have the USB connections or whatever. But that's pretty much it. Overall, I'm pretty happy. I'm really happy that I only spent probably $170 on this kit, as opposed to getting it done by a professional for, I think I was quoted around $800 for everything that I wanted to do here. So if you're looking for an economical upgrade, this is definitely the way to go. All right. Best of luck to you, whatever you decide to do.